Divljakovic, and I'm Vice President and General Manager of the Electronic Solution Division of 3M Corporation. Electronic Solution Division has focused in 4 business areas. One of the most important one for us is interconnect business. And in the area of interconnects, we were innovators for a number of years. 50 years ago, we invented IDC technology. We introduced the first flat ribbon cable, introduced a number of connectors that were solving industry problems. And as the company was developing its marketing strategy, we, in the course of last 10 years, somehow lost our focus, and we decided to really find our soul. And our soul is really in what 3M does the best, which is innovation. As you know, 3M is a company proud of advances that we do in the material science. And when we mix that magic of material science and the engineering in the materials with the know-how and the art that's needed in designing good interconnect products, then we get big hits. A good example of it is our new Twinax cable. 3M Twinax cable is a really unique product in the sense that it has performance, it has frequency characteristics that is better than any other product that you can find today in the market. What's also very interesting, you can see that this cable can be folded, and when you are folding classical Twinax cable, you get really disruption in the signal integrity, you get reflections. With Twinax cable, you don't have it. If we walk here to this model, you can see that the ideal application, this is just one of the applications, is the routing of the cable in the box like a server box. So what you get with it is the fact that you have no restrictions of the airflow on the components that needs to be cooled. You can take the cable and route it around the box and take it from one point in the box to another point in the box. We are introducing this cable not only for in-the-box applications, but we will have the variants of the cable for the out-of-box with the ribbon, and in that way we are going to really expand and change the way how people think about the interconnect. Twinax is going to extend the life of copper. Where we thought before that the only solution is fiber, now we are proving with Twinax cable that the copper can actually live, and we are extending actually the life of copper interconnect. If we go back, you can see some of the other products that we are introducing. For instance, this is a very interesting product. We had a lot of design wins. This is a connector used for the memory cards, a CFAS. And down below you can see our new range of the halogen-free cables, which augment our offering of the cables. So halogen-free cables are environmentally friendly, and we have seen during the show a lot of interest into this technology. Now, talking about some other products, we are also introducing some of the standard products, like for instance our sockets, head-resistant sockets. Now we are having a 2mm family of the products that's launched at this show. And what's really very important for us is these connectors that we called UHM. This is 3M UHM is really the product that is backward compatible with hard metric footprint. It allows customers to design the boards for their embedded systems, and what used to be 2 gigahertz application, with UHM you can take this frequency all the way up to 10 gigahertz. Without changing the backplane, you are actually able to upgrade the systems. Finally, last but not least, you see the family of the new sockets. The Tex tool was always the leader in the area of the sockets, but now we have introduced a new product that has a cartridge that is easily customizable for any kind of the BGA that the customers may have. We combine this socket with our embedded capacitance material. And embedded capacitance material is something that every designer of the high-frequency PC board wants to have. There is no better way to lay out the board beside using this material as a replacement for discrete capacitors. It solves a couple of problems. You have superior EMI performance of the PC board. We eliminate all of the small surface mount capacitors, which becomes the problem of the yield in the production of the boards, and really it solves a lot of problems that today designers of high-speed boards are facing and don't know how to tackle them. So this is really the sneak preview of some of the new technologies, and as we go forward, 3M is going to continue our knowledge in material science. We are going to launch every year. We're going to come with a slew of new products that are going to leverage this expertise that we have in material science and in technology. So that's all.